In 2026, building financial security isn't just about how much money you save. It's about where you keep it. Placing your savings in the wrong place can feel like filling a bucket with a hole in it. Your money's value slowly leaks away. This is why so many beginners feel stuck between holding cash, using a bank, or venturing into investments. In this video, we at Money Clarity will break it down in a simple, practical way so you can feel confident about where your money should go. Let's start with cash. For many, holding physical money feels safe. It's tangible, instantly accessible, and gives a sense of control, especially for emergencies. Having some cash on hand for daily life is practical. However, the biggest risk to cash isn't theft, but something much quieter: inflation. In 2026, even low inflation silently eats away at your money's purchasing power every single day. That $100 in your drawer today might only buy $97 worth of goods next year. Money that just sits is losing its strength. So, what about the bank? This is the most common and sensible next step. A bank savings account keeps your money secure, organized, and accessible. It's the perfect place for your short-term goals and, most importantly, your emergency fund. But here's the reality check. The small amount of interest a typical savings account pays usually doesn't keep up with the rate of inflation. Your money is safe, but it isn't growing. If this is helpful so far, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Money Clarity for more financial guidance. So, banks are for safety, not for growth. Financial experts agree that you should keep about 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is your financial safety net. It's there for unexpected job loss or medical bills, giving you peace of mind without needing to sell long-term assets. Now, let's talk about investments. For many beginners, the word investing sounds like gambling, scary and risky. But in 2026, smart investing is the opposite of a gamble. It's a calculated plan for long-term growth. It's about using the power of time and consistency to build real wealth. Think of it like planting a tree. You start with a small seed, and with time and patience, it grows into something strong and substantial. Simple, beginner-friendly options like index funds and ETFs allow you to own a small piece of many great companies, spreading your risk and harnessing the market's overall growth over decades. The longer your money stays invested, the more powerful the effect of compounding becomes. So, the real answer isn't choosing just one of these options. It's about creating a simple, balanced system that works for you. The smartest strategy is to use all three. Keep a small amount of cash for your immediate daily needs. Maintain your 3 to 6 month emergency fund in a safe and accessible bank account. Then, invest the rest of your savings for your future, for retirement, for your long-term dreams. This balanced approach removes fear and builds confidence. People who only keep cash and bank savings miss out on growth opportunities, while those who invest everything without a safety net face unnecessary stress during downturns. Balance is the key to financial peace, and that's the core message we share here at Money Clarity. If this video helped you understand where to keep your savings, please share it with someone who might also need a little clarity. Comment below and let us know one small step you'll take this week. Because making smart, simple money decisions today is what creates a truly secure and peaceful life tomorrow.